Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube crypto channel, Crypto Talkness. Before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on my social media here exactly. So today, guys, we are here to introduce an amazing app. How you can earn Bitcoin, use Bitcoin only with one app, the GoMining. Just follow this video from the beginning till the end to understand everything about this project. See you soon, guys, after this intro. So guys, is gold mining really a new kind of Bitcoin mining for 2026 or just marketing? In this review, we unpack how the gold mining model works, what digital mining means in practice, and also how it differs from buying. So the running and maintaining physical ASICs matching. So guys, you can earn Bitcoin, use Bitcoin one app, the GoMining. I will show you how you can download it and how you can use it on your phone. But before start, let's just check this here, the official website, the gomining.com. You can select your language. They have a lot of language, guys, before that. So this is the GoMining. It's simple and secure way to unlock full Bitcoin potential. So you can check here that you can earn a Bitcoin daily. We have here the mine Bitcoin in the sample earn. I will show you how you can do this on your phone. Also, more than 5 million registered users worldwide, 13 million Ethereum per second, and 5,000 Bitcoin rewards earned by our users. So it is really a big one. So you can use crypto in real life, buy, pay with crypto, and buy, send, and receive. Everything is here, guys. You can check it on Google Play or on App Store here, and we have here some comments on the phones, as you see, guys, from other clients. So this is the official app on Google Play and official app on App Store. So it's really available on every single devices, guys. You can check here the power behind the mining, almost 13 million Ethereum, as you see, guys. So we have here, you can boost your rewards with common token and a lot of things. You can buy also tokens if you wanna buy it. So the GoMining news, you can check all the news from here, and if you have any question, just check it here. For example, what the mining is exactly. The GoMining is a global Bitcoin ecosystem that helps people everywhere unlock Bitcoin's full potential. It begins by decentralizing mining, replacing hardware noise and complexity with digital miners connected to audited data counter. So guys, you can check everything is here. You can just sign up or log in. I have already an account. You can log in with your Google, Apple, or Facebook, and let's get started. I will explain how you can use the app also. So this is my profile, guys. You can check here the mining you create. I create this one, as you see, guys, for this mine box. This is the number reference number, and the power is 1024 Ethereum, and the efficiency is 15. So this is the miners here for the all the uniqueness, and if you can also upgrade it. So this is the miner war. Check here the miners, guys. Everything is clear. I have two for now. This one, the bonus miner, and this one also the mine box. This is the power for this one is 16 Ethereum, and we have the 124. So you can also buy anyone here for the marketplace, the miner here, and you can select a lot of miners, and we have here the price for the token. You can buy it as I mentioned before, guys, and you can just go here and buy GoMining. So the GoMining is the official token where you can buy any miners with it. So select which one, and just buy with Bitcoin or buy with card. So select here the token that you wanna buy with it, and you can buy with it. It's simple. So after that, you can check your wallet here, and then this is the coming GoMining crypto token. So guys, that's it. You can just select here any token. You can create a miner if you wanna create it. Select for example one or two or anyone. We have here the some discount on white time and also for the monthly. So you can just select one here and you can pay, or you can pay one, and you can also pay your promo code. For example, for me, I have my promo code. This is my promo code darkness. Then you can go and pay with your card, or you can select token here and go and proceed your payment. This is the amount to send, 80.99 second. Select the network, for example BIP20 or any network. Then this is the address wallet. From here you can make a withdrawal from your crypto exchange platform. So that's how you can do this. You can check here the mining. You can also buy and see the quality. We have here the governance. Check the rewards calculator. You can calculate your rewards from here. For example, if you have one coming or 100,000 or anything here, you can just select the amount. You can see the APR, the weekly rewards, the vote. So it is really a good one, guys. 21, and select the calculator lock. So this is the launch pad. Also they have it, the tire, the leaderboard, the first one, the second one. This one has 6021 T. This is the power, and the green machines also, and the others are here, guys, for the holders, the competent powers, the energy efficiently, and the daily rewards are here. Look at this one, how much he earned, $206. Wow. This one also has this amount, this one also, the third one. So guys, that's it. You can check everything here on the website. You can also download the app on your account. Those are my miners. You can upgrade someone, for example this one, and just select your payment, and you can pay 6.23. It means that $99. So that's it. We have here the dashboard. I have two miners. The total rewards till now I don't have, and my power is 1024, and the main efficiency. So guys, from the rewards you can check here your rewards, and you can check here your sale listening. Crypto cards, how you can use it. You can spend crypto anywhere with GoMining card. So it is simple and fast and secure for sure. So how you can open your card? You can follow the steps, like you can just top up and pay with crypto. Also, you can earn cashback in mining power and secure and reliable. So it is really a visit. You can visit the official crypto cards on the GoMining website. You can get the virtual card and the physical card. Also, it coming soon. So we have here, you can open your card and get a free one the miner for sure. So just click here, open my card, and this is the banking card. You can make a deposit, then you can get your card for sure, guys. So after 24 hours, you can see that I get $7 on my account because of the GoMining. As you see, guys, now it is 7.66. You can withdraw this profile. Just click here and select the Bitcoin. Then you can choose it fast or within 24 hours. Then put your receipt address amount like this, and then click next. So the receipt address, it's necessary. We have also the page for the sample earn, where you can use the easiest way to earn Bitcoin on your idle crypto balance. 100% flexible, simple, and transparent. So we have here the regular Bitcoin rewards, the fully flexible, and the multi-asset support for sure. you can get started with the sample earn. You can use a lot of tokens. You can turn your balance into Bitcoin rewards and see your crypto grow up day by day, as I mentioned before here on my account. If you see here, you will check that when I bought this miner, now I got 7.65, guys. So everything is clear, guys, with Go Mining. I really like it. So this is the today rewards, as you see here, plus 0.0001117 Bitcoin. So you can check all the transactions here. So that's it, guys. Some academy are here. You can start check the academy, and now, guys, you can check here the product, guys, all topics, and for sure the courses are here. So this project helps you to get some Bitcoin for sure, guys. So now let's get started, and the most how you can do this on your account or on your app from your iPhone or your Google Android phone. So guys, welcome back to my phone here. So if you wanna download the app, just click here and search about the Go Mining, Bitcoin mining and code. Download it, then install it, then open your account. You can just create your account or log in with your password. So that's it, guys. First of all, you can get your referral program here, share your referral code or referral link. So you can check here everything about the referral program, guys. Also for the ambassador, you can check it all here. So guys, for the actual here, the home page, let's start with the mining form. As you see, you can create your mining, you can upgrade your mining, and you can also buy crypto. So we have here some promos. You can check them all about the liquidity, the referral program, and the referrals. We have here some special offers. Check everything available here. And about the VIP statue, you can check here that I have Platinum 2, and you can check here the Platinum. We are going to the Platinum 3 and then the Diamond. So now for the power, I have this one, 1024 per 2500. So everything is clear. You can check here the VIP discount on the maintenance and the launching pad allocation. The card cashback also, it is available on the app from here. So I cannot explain everything on the app, but I will explain the most important thing. So for the product guides, check all this, what is mine worth, and a lot of things. And they have the courses on the app also, Go Mining Basics course, and for the beginner Bitcoin and miner. You can check by click start above and under. And this part for the leaderboard, the miner rewards, on this I showed them on the computer before. This is the table of the leaderboards. So guys, let's back here and check other things like the case statistics for me. So this one is for me, the economic states also for the 10 February, 11 February, 12 February, 13, and other days for the economic states also. And for the news are here, and the data contours are here. If you want to check the data contours, you can explore live streams from our physical USB. So this one for in the Washington, this one in South Carolina, it is alive here. So this how the mining works, guys, for the Texas and the South Carolina. So this is the market where you can buy, and you can just go mining and select which one if you wanna select someone, and those are the prices for everyone. Amazing design, honestly. So this is the miner processing. Let's check it, guys. Here just click here and the bottom, and then you can check here the watch live miner, the dashboard, the service, the upgrade, the create mine, everything is here. So this is my miner, the power, the efficiency, and the discount, etc. So I have these two. I showed them before on the mine. I can also upgrade them from my app. You can process the payment about the upgrade if you need it. We have here the wallet. You can just make a withdrawal by click here and get where you withdraw your income about Bitcoin, USDT, or GoMiner, or any other token. So guys, you can make a deposit. Also, I explained this how you can do this on your phone. Just click here USDT and then select your network like BIP20 and then copy this, or you can use this QR code. So guys, it's really an easy app, and we have here our profile. You can select your language, you can select the saved cards, and you can set also your password, KYC, 2FA, activities, reward settings, notifications, the theme, the language also here, and other things guys. So about the support, and you can log in or you can read the app from here. So this is my profile here. I will put the links under this video description or in the first comment. Don't forget to verify your KYC. It's better for your account. So that's it guys. See you soon on the next video, and goodbye.